So today I thought I'd paint juggling balls. As a subject, it's quite challenging. I chose them because I've been learning to juggle myself. If you paint, you know it's a fairly sedentary activity, and it puts a very specific kind of strain on your hands. To keep them as versatile as possible, I recommend doing different hand exercises, not just with a brush, but other kinds too. Juggling is one of them, because it teaches you to have light hands. By lightness, I simply mean hands that are well-trained and ready for anything, whether you're holding the tiniest brush for fine details or confidently making broad strokes with a large one. It all takes practice and keeping your hands in good shape. Juggling can help with that. When you juggle, you quickly realize you need confidence in your movements. At first, the balls will keep falling, but with repetition, you get more confident. Some things simply have to become automatic. And that's exactly what you want in watercolor. A delicate touch, pressure control, a clean finish to a stroke, and no shaky, nervous strokes. These are the things you need to stop thinking about, so you can focus on what you want to paint, not on how to move your brush. Juggling is also excellent training for hand-eye coordination. You're constantly watching what's happening and correcting tiny mistakes in a split second. It's very similar in watercolor. You see where the paint is flowing and you step in at just the right moment. Juggling also improves your timing and rhythm, so your brush starts moving more smoothly. And then there's perseverance. Learning to juggle means making hundreds of mistakes. The ball drops and you start again. It falls, you pick it up, you continue. You learn that repetition isn't failure, it's learning. And that's a great skill for painting too, because sometimes a watercolor doesn't turn out, and you simply have to start over. So if you want hands that are skillful, relaxed, and precise, try something like this alongside your painting. Just a few minutes a day is enough. Not for performance, but for better control and a better feel in your hands. Now take a look at how I painted these juggling balls from a reference. Thank you for watching. What did you enjoy about this piece, or what would you change? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.